First time ever re-released.
In the history of the Super Saber.
And what can you tell me about it? Because I know very little.
I can tell you that it's based off of the Hot Shot platform.
Is it the last ever Hot Shot platform?
Oh, I don't know how it fit within the chronology, because this is a mix of all those different bits. So it's got the open tub from the Boomerang.
Yes.
So it doesn't have that top section.
Yes.
It's got the monoshock on the front from the Hot Shot.
Let's go to Overhead Town. Yes.
So monoshock, and then it's got twin shocks at the back.
Monoshock.
Which was similar to the Super Shot.
Different driver figure.
Yes, different body. The sway bars had a plastic mount here.
Hurry up.
What else is different? The shock tower is probably different. It's probably molded plastic rather than the fiberglass one from the Super Shot.
Bit of red
wheels
plastics.
are the same. Tires are the same. Yes, the red parts is what everyone loves.
Is it?
Yes, like particularly the red shocks, because you can't get them any other way.
The original Hot Shot had red shocks.
Hmm?
The original Hot Shot had red shocks.
Yeah, but the shocks were different. They weren't CVAs like this. The bodies were aluminium.
Oh.
All right, we're taking the top off.
Oh. Let's have a look. It's pre-painted.
Pre-cut and pre-painted.
What did you call me? It is.
Pre-cut. Well, they've got this cover here. I don't remember it having a cover.
What do you mean? Well, probably because you built yours wrong.
Well, it must have, because it says 1987.
1987. So this is a
maybe
very
it did.
late. This is a very late run, isn't it?
But it's updated with. Oh, is it? Or was that a part number?
It's a part number. I reckon it's a part number.
There you go. It's too long. Yeah? All right, so you got some red components here, which are sort of similar to the Hot Shot, because the Hot Shot did have rear uprights in red as well. But there's your rear shock tower.
Did you ever see one go?
Don't remember seeing one go.
So
I saw
this
a heap
is
of
a one,
Hot Shots going.
a 1/10 scale four-wheel drive off-roader, yeah?
Yeah.
I know it's got the same. Oh, it's my favorite pillow ball.
Yep.
Front captured ball suspension. What is this thing?
Oh, big bumper. This bumper looks very
It's massive.
It looks very bigwig.
Bigwig.
Bugwig.
Super grippers. Geez, they love these tires, didn't
They
they?
last forever.
They love these tires. They put them on everything.
There's your tub.
Completely different to the Hot Shot, isn't it?
So that'll be Boomerang style, I reckon. Does it have any markings on it?
Bigwig was different, though.
Bigwig was different, yes. Oh, I can't read those markings right in there.
Oh, the front arms are different to a Hot Shot too.
So it's ABS plastic. Oh, it's just got some years on it. It doesn't actually say which model.
Same gearbox as a Hot Shot, yeah?
Yes, it would be.
With my favourite motor shims, yeah?
Oh, the motor shims, the flat, the pressed out flat things.
Is that right?
That's it.
Oh, yeah, here they are.
Yeah, slotted. Yep.
There you go. I'm not going to get it all out because we've got the
Super
magic
Saber.
box and I'll never get it back in.
That's right. So nice.
And I will remember the Super Saber for one reason and one reason only. Was Willie Chang Panda Man's final order, wasn't it?
That's right. He was really looking forward to this.
He was waiting for this. I don't understand it, but look, it's got 2023 on it.
Yes.
So they took a little bit longer than they thought to get to us.
That's right. Oh, well, I mean, it was released in late 23.
It was released in late 23.
Yep.
There you
There we go. Super Sabers in stock now.
First time ever re-released.
That's right.
And